How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. In this video, let's check out 5 amazing Android apps that you should definitely download for the month of March. As always, if you watch this video till the very end, you will get a chance to win some promo codes. So stay tuned and also let's aim for 2000 likes on this video. For that being said, drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, the first application on our list goes by the name called WhatsApp Gallery. It's an app which has some useful features to make your experience of using WhatsApp even better. Here you can view all the WhatsApp sent and received files at one place, so that you don't have to search your whole gallery to find images and videos sent by your friends. Other than this, you also get this story downloader feature, which means now you can save any stories or status of your friends directly into your phone. In case if you are not comfortable downloading any files, it even lets you directly share your friend's story on your WhatsApp feed without saving them on your device. All in all, it's a must-have application if you are a WhatsApp user. Definitely try it out. Next up we have CoreSpecs. CoreSpecs has been developed to give complete information about your Android device. In the app, you will find detailed information about the GPU, CPU, RAM, sensors, battery, display, thermals and all other minor specs related to your Android smartphone. Basically, it's a collection of everything that you can know about the device that you're using, and it also lets the user test whether all the sensors and gestures are supported. You can see if your device is rooted or not, and it even has a separate section where you can test your phone's display, fingerprint, speaker, Bluetooth connectivity and all other important sensors as well. Overall, it's a great free app to try out. Make sure you download this one. Next up, we have an app called Selection. Selection lets you select text from anywhere on your screen and then you can save it as a reminder in your notification panel. All you need to do is just download this application, and then whenever you select and copy text anywhere on your phone, you get this new option called Put in NC. If you tap that, whatever you just selected will be transferred to your notification center as a reminder. I think it's one of the best way to keep reminders since we all check notifications once in a while. Guys, the free version allows you to add text to your notification panel up to 15 times, but the developer was kind enough to provide me with 25 promo codes for the pro version. To get one, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and then send me a DM on Instagram asking for the promo code. It's a first come first serve basis. Moving on, we have subscriptions. Nowadays, most of us subscribe to a lot of streaming services and we tend to lose track of what we actually spend. This app helps you to manage your subscriptions. All you have to do is just add all the services that you have subscribed to, and it shows you the monthly expenses, due dates for all the payments. So this way you can easily keep a track of everything that you are actually spending. Other than this, I also like the UI of this app. It is simple, clean, without any ads, and the most important thing is you can get it for absolutely free. Finally, we have an application called Viral Setups. This app provides you with some beautiful setups and amazing wallpapers to make your home screen stand out. I know there are several apps like this, but this app is super clean, simple with not many ads, and you also get a really good collection of wallpapers as well. There are 4 different categories of home screen setups such as AMOLED, colorful, minimal and dark. If you like any of the setup, just tap on it and you get all the information such as the wallpaper, icon pack and the widget as well. One best thing about the app is it also provides you with backup files by using which you can apply the setups within seconds. All in all, it's a great app for customization. Definitely try it out. So that's pretty much it guys. These are the best Android apps for the month of March. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.